This is a legal alert regarding carbon monoxide poisoning. If you or a loved one were hospitalized after exposure to carbon monoxide, you may be entitled to financial compensation. Call 1-800-583-4444 to learn more and find out if you have a case. Or visit www.youhavealawyer.com. Carbon monoxide is an odorless and tasteless gas that can have devastating consequences. Even short-term exposure to carbon monoxide may result in brain damage, permanent disability, or even death. Thousands of people are injured by carbon monoxide poisoning every year. In many cases, exposure could have been prevented. Legal claims are being reviewed for carbon monoxide injuries that may have been caused by the negligence of landlords, hotels or other property owners, construction or repair companies, appliance or vehicle manufacturers, as well as other individuals or entities. If you or a loved one were hospitalized following exposure to carbon monoxide, protect your family and call now. Call 1-800-583-4444. That's 1-800-583-4444. Or visit youhavealawyer.com.